Hi guys, fellow detectors. I wanted to do this quick unboxing with you. I went ahead and I purchased one of those Pablo knives, okay? Now, for those of you that don't know, Pablo knives make these beautiful knives that have Stag, bone, Damascus blades. This one is supposed to have a J2 steel blade. I sold some knives to buy this knife, guys, so I really hope I'm not disappointed. When I looked up the eBay seller account, it listed it as being in Australia, I believe. But after tracking it, right, this thing came straight from Pakistan, which is what I suspected, because these knives, the design of them with the Damascus steel and stuff, I mean, you can't get it too cheaply unless it's like from Pakistan. And this is supposed to be a beautiful knife. Okay, this is a custom knife. As you can see here, it says custom knives to whom it may concern, and we're going to read that in a little bit. Now, I tried to haggle with the dealer. I tried to lowball him. This price on eBay was $129. I tried to lowball him and see if he would sell it to me for $85. And he said, no, well, if you bought two, I could do that. And I just bought one. Here's my name. It says Abdias Gomez, USA. I'm not sure what this means, but 3+2. And so, you know what? I went ahead. I'm just going to give him the benefit of the doubt, because the pictures are amazing. These knives look beautiful, right? I really wanted one. And it says custom knives to whom it may concern. I can't really read that, but it says, we hereby undertake that our blah blah something something local artificial material does not have contraband, or I guess it's something that they have to go ahead and sign to say that this doesn't have any contraband or anything like that, that it's a custom knife. So I'm going to open this and we're going to see what we got. I'm opening it here live with you. I got this, not live, but I just got it today in the post office. Not the post office. I actually wanted to ship it to my P.O. box, but they said no, DHL is better. That they only do DHL. So they needed a physical address. So I gave them my mother-in-law's physical address. All right, guys, let's open this up. All right. You ready? Oh, by the way, he said he included an extra prize for me, or an extra item here for me, kind of like as a thank you. So let's see what this says. I really appreciate that, by the way, that he did that. Oh no, you can't be serious. Guys, it looks like he not only sent me what I ordered, which I believe is this one, but he sent me Pablo knives, went ahead and sent me two other items which look amazing, guys. Originally I thought this was going to be a shorter video, but now we're going to have to check out this video. Guys, this is what you get when you order from Pablo knives. I'm kind of like at a loss for words. I paid $125. It was free shipping. And I sold like 3 knives to get this knife. And they sent me 3 knives. If that isn't like divine intervention, I don't know what is. But first, I'm gonna open what I paid for initially. I'm kind of at a loss for words because of the generosity of Pablo knives, right? Because I know these knives are all handmade by good people in Pakistan, and these are all handmade over there, right? Look at this beautiful sheath, though. This is leather. I'm smelling it off camera, guys. Smells like leather. All right. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous, simply gorgeous. Look at that. Now, here's the knife. It's supposed to be about like 4.5 inches, which it is, in the close position. Look at that. It's absolutely gorgeous. I don't even want to use another knife to open this. I'm just going to use my bare hands because I don't want to scratch this. And as you can see, they're very well packaged. And then here we have some thicker plastic. Oh, geez. Look at this, guys. It's just amazing. It is amazing. And in here, you can tell it's been well oiled. This thing feels warm. I don't know if it's because I had it in my truck. Look how shiny and polished that Stag is. It's just a gorgeous knife. Look at the embellishments on there. Beautiful Stag, guys. Love it. You can see it has oil there. The blade. The blade comes very sharp. It's just a lovely knife. I love this large thumbnail to open the blade. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That is a beautiful knife, guys. I will use this proudly. Look at the thickness of that Stag. That looks like it's over an inch thick, guys. Look at that. Ain't that thing a beauty? Thank you. Thank you, Pablo Knives. This is amazing. Let's close it. Nice snap closed. No half stop. Snap open. Very nice. I think I'm going to put this in its new home, which is this sheath right here. I will be carrying this proudly. So we're going to set this aside right here while I open up these other surprises. I was expecting one more surprise. He sent me two, or they sent me two. I'm definitely going to have to be a repeat customer somewhere along the lines. I'm going to have to save up some more money or something to buy something else from these guys. It's amazing. This is a cute little pocket knife right here, looks like. It's really wrapped in there. Whoever wrapped these did an excellent job. And that's what we want, right? We want them to be protected. So it's an adorable little knife that looks like some version of frostwood, right? It's a little lockback. It's just a little lockback cutie right here. And this would have been like amazing, just that lockback function works really well. But they sent me something else. So let's see what that is, guys. Man, look at this. Can you believe this? And the way they have it is so you can just unroll it like this. Now I'm figuring that out. Let's see, where else does that plastic meet so where I can just continue to unroll it. Maybe here. Yeah, continues here. First of all, can you see how beautiful that sheath is? It's kind of like burnt on there. Really nice. It's gorgeous. And of course, it's also wrapped individually. And they take great care in how they wrap these knives. Pablo Knives, I'm going to see if I can send you this video. I'm going to reach out to you after I make this video. See if I can send you the link. Thank you so much. This is another little custom knife, guys. Another little custom knife. Just super pretty. Trying to be careful not to slice myself because you guys know in this hobby we tend to slice ourselves every now and then. Then we super glue it and we keep coming back for more. It's just the way it goes. Look at this. Look at how perfectly that fits my hand. Look at that, guys. It's got jimping on it. Look at that jimping. Oh, that wasn't right now, by the way. I cut myself another time at work. Nice. This is actually pretty dull. I'm gonna have to sharpen this a little bit, but look how thick that steel is, guys. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Pablo Knives, look at those pins. Look at the embellishment in the pins. This is gorgeous. Pablo Knives, thank you so much. This was a big surprise. I very much appreciate your generosity. I hope you guys get this video, and guys, go to eBay, check out Pablo Knives. I will likely put a link to their site on this video. All right, amigos, this has been another one by the Knife Detector, the knife community. It's a community of friendship and loyalty, amigos. That's the way it goes in the knife community. And if you're new to this channel, just know you're in with a good bunch of guys and gals. All right, y'all take care, my friends. God bless.